Salary negotiation mistakes that could be costing you lakhs. Professionals do not get underpaid, but they under-negotiate. And by the time they realize this, it's too late. With my years of experience in HR, today I'm going to show you exactly where people go wrong. Biggest mistake. People get an offer and they immediately say yes. They feel relieved, they don't want to lose the offer, and they say yes. What have you done? You've lost all your leverage. You've kind of said yes to something less, and you don't even know what you've left on the table. You could be losing lakhs there. Always say thank you. I need a day or two to come back once I review the offer. The second big mistake, you negotiate based on need. My expenses are so and so, and my salary is very less. It does not work like this. You need to understand that companies are hiring you for value that you bring and not basis your need. The next one, which is equally important, is that you get into a negotiation not being prepared. And that's like negotiating in the blind. If you don't know what your market worth is, there's no point in negotiation. The next one, not anchoring towards value. See, what happens is people talk about experience and they don't talk about the impact that they've created in their earlier jobs. Always shift the conversation from cost to contribution. You could say these are the initiatives that I drove, because of which the department had a 10% increased profit. Last one, and the most important one, is never give out a number. Always talk about a range that you're okay with, because if you give out a number, you end up getting stuck. See, remember one thing, if they've called you for a negotiation, they all feel confident because they want you, and that's why they're taking the effort of doing this negotiation with you. You do not get what you deserve, but you get what you negotiate. So tell me if you have ever negotiated a deal and enhanced your compensation, or you've just accepted and said yes and taken the offer. If you need help, you can look into my details, because I do one-on-one coaching with professionals for getting successful in interviews and in salary negotiation. My next video is going to be about steps in negotiation. And thank you very much, and do subscribe to my channel, Empowering Minds with Seema. I'll see you in my next video.